video, let's look at what we have here. We are asking us a subtopic of chain rule. Now, we are asked to find the y-dx of the following functions. We are asked to find the y-dx of the following functions. Now, how are we going to do this? It's very simple. When you're asked to find the y-dx of a function, it means you're asked to find the slope of that function. It also means you're asked to find the gradient of that function. You get it? It also means you're asked to find the derivative or the differential coefficient of that particular function. You get it? Now, this is how it's going to be. Since we have the function, we are going to attempt each of them separately in less than a few minutes. Now, here is the solution to this problem. Now, for the sake of clarity's sake, I'll divide this one. Now, I have the first function y is equal to exponential power 3x plus 2. Now, this is the first function I have here. I'll assume or I'll assign a variable to the power here or to the exponent. Like I'll assign a variable to it. So I can say let a equal to 3x plus 2, which means everything as a power here is known to be what? A. You get. Now this implies that y is equal to exponential power a. Since 3x plus 2 is known to be a, it means exponential power a plus 3x plus 2 is already known to be what? A. Now we are going to differentiate it separately. To be differentiated, I'm going to have the a over the x, which is equal to what? 3. And then if I differentiate this, I can say and the y over the a is the exponential power a, because the derivative of exponential power a is equal to exponential power a. Now our dy over our dx is equal to the a over the x times the y over the a, which is equal to what? Our dA dx is what? 3 times our dy dA is what? Exponential power a. Exponential power a. So 3 times exponential power a is the same thing as 3 exponential power a. Now our dy over our dx is equal to 3 exponential. Remember, a is equal to what? 3x plus 2. So instead of me to write down, this is what? 3x plus 2. And this is the final solution to this particular question. Now let's proceed to the next question we have. So I can now bring out our b. Our b is lay into x squared plus 4. How are we going to do this? That's the second one. Y equal to lay into x squared plus 4. It's very simple also. I'm still going to assign a variable to this inner function. So I can now say, now remember here we use a. It's not compulsory to be using a. You can use any variable of your choice. You get it? So if I use a here, I can decide to use any one. You get it? So let me think of which one. Let me use f or e. Let me just use e. So let e equal to x squared plus 4. So e is equal to x squared plus 4. That means e is equal to everything in this bracket. So that implies that y is equal to e, because e is equal to x squared plus 4. So if e is equal to x squared plus 4, it implies that y is equal to e. You get it? Now we differentiate it separately. So the e over the x. The e over the x means the derivative of this. The derivative of x squared plus 4 is equal to what? 2x. Now differentiate this again and the y over the e. The y, the e means 1 over what? E. Now if you have, for example, if you have ln x, if you have y equal to ln x, your derivative, that means your the y over the x of this function is 1 over x. It's always the reciprocal of that function. So you get it. That's why I have 1 over e here. So now, proceeding from what we have just done, so we can go further, it means that our dy over our dx is equal to what? The e over the x times dy over the e. Now, this simply means our dy over the x is equal to the e dx is what? 2x. 2x times dy dt is what? 1 over e. 1 So 2 times 1 over e is the same thing as 2 times 1 over e is the same thing as what? 2x over e. Now remember we are not going to begin as this. So our divide over our x will be equal to 2x all over. Remember our e is equal to something which is what? X squared plus 4. So 2x over x squared plus 4. And that's the final solution to this particular question also. And if you find this video interesting, do not hesitate to make sure you like this video, comment, and share for more understanding. See you in my next class. Bye.